I'm a psychologist, so come learn psychology of Bhagavad Gita with me, verse by verse. But before that, let's get to know what exactly Bhagavad Gita is and how is it going to benefit us. Most people think that Bhagavad Gita is just a religious book, but no, it's actually a crisis conversation that happens between Lord Krishna and Arjuna. In fact, it doesn't even begin with peace or preaching. It actually starts with Arjun having a breakdown and a lot of anxiety, and a lot of questions get answered by Lord Krishna in this whole scripture. Number 2, this is actually not a very philosophical book. If you think about it, Arjun's questions that he asked Lord Krishna are not actually philosophical but are deeply emotional. He actually talks about a lot of things that are very valid to us in today's life, such as fear, family attachments, guilt, and all the anxieties that we face. Number 3, Gita actually does not start with Lord Krishna, it starts with the blind king Dhritarashtra, who is the father of the Kauravas. And the fact that Dhritarashtra was not even actually involved in the war, and yet the first verse is spoken by him, tells us a lot about how conflict is not just the problem that starts at the battlefield, but even because of blind leadership. Number 4, the ultimate aim of Bhagavad Gita is not to attain God. It is actually to attain self-realization, and all of us need to have that. Number 5, and the most favorite fact of mine, is that as people believe, Bhagavad Gita is actually not written by Lord Krishna. Bhagavad Gita is actually just a very small part of the bigger book, which is Mahabharata, that was written by Vedyas. And Bhagavad Gita is actually a conversation between Lord Krishna and Arjuna, and the most of the verses are said by Lord Krishna, but it is actually dictated by Sanjaya, who was one of the advisors of Dhritarashtra, who had one of the boons that he could have future sightedness, which means he could actually, sitting in the castle, see what is going on at the battlefield. If you know any interesting facts about Bhagavad Gita, do let me know in the comments below, and follow me for more such videos where we will be learning the psychology of Bhagavad Gita verse by verse, which is 700 verses in 18 chapters.